Okay, this is the electric log splitter. I think this is a 5-ton model, I believe. It doesn't tell how many ton it is, but anyway, yeah, it works pretty dang good. The thing I like about these electric ones is no gas, no oil, no fumes. So you can even do it in your basement if you want to. So, or in a shed or whatever. So that's the sweet deal about that. So as long as you got power, of course. But if you don't, then I guess you have to get an electric one. But or not electric one, a gas one, right? Sorry. So, but yeah, other than that, I think these things are pretty cool. This is the Yardworks brand. It's a Canadian Tire brand. Up here in Canada, we have a store called Canadian Tire, which is like a general automotive hardware, kind of like a giant hardware store that has a lot of automotive stuff as well. So they have hunting, fishing stuff, that kind of thing. So, but yeah, these are pretty sweet little units. I'm very happy with it. We have 2 of them. We got this one brand new at Canadian Tire, and then we got one that came with a stand that we bought through Craigslist or something like that for I think that was a couple $100 as well, but it was like brand new, never used hardly at all, and it came with a stand, which is handy. So, but yeah, just thought I'd share this in case somebody's looking at getting electric log splitters. I can't complain. Yeah, I don't have any complaints about it, except a little bit heavy if you have to lift it. But other than that, it's a pretty great unit. Very strong. I actually do have another wedge that fits here, just like this one. So it doubles your splitting power. So, but I think I can split up to a 20-inch log, I believe. And but we always cut 16-inch. That way everything's the same here and the other place. So yeah, just thought I'd share that. Firewood time. Fun for firewood. The electric splitters are awesome. Pop, no problemo. Sure saves your back. Right, dear?
Yes, for sure.
Yes. So, pretty sweet. I think I got this at Canadian Tire. Pretty good sale, actually. I think it was about $250. Yeah. Really, really good.